Oppo R12 Plus specification and features in USA. Model number Oppo R12 Plus. Colors, black, gold, rose gold. Body material, metal. Water and dust proof, no. SIM type dual SIM. Technology: GSM/CDMA/HSPA/eVideo/LTE. Operating system: Android 7.1.1, Nougat. Processor octa-core. 4x2. 2 GHz Cryo 260 and 4x1. 8 GHz Cryo 260. Chipset Qualcomm MSM8956 plus Snapdragon 660. GPU: Adreno 512. RAM 6GB. Storage 128 GB. Card slot: Micro SD, up to 256 GB. Display: size 6.2 inches. IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, 16 colors. Resolution: 1080 by 1920 pixels, 368 pixel density. Multi-touch PS. Protection Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Camera: primary. Dual 20MP, f/2.6, AF, plus 16MP, f/1.7, DAF. Face detection autofocus. Video 2160p 30 fps. Flash LED flash. Secondary 22MP. Battery: LiPo. Non-removable 5000 mAh. Fast charging yes. Wireless charger no. Network 2G, 3G and 4G. GPRS yes. Edge yes. Wi-Fi 802.11a/b/g/NAC, dual band. Wi-Fi direct, hotspot. Bluetooth yes, version 5.0. USB micro 2.0 Type-C, USB on the go. GPS yes, with a GPS, GLONASS. NFC yes. Audio jack 3.5mm jack. Sensors: fingerprint accelerometer, proximity. If you like our videos, click the subscribe button, it's free.